Hey there! I'm super excited to dive into the world of data loss prevention within Microsoft 365 with you today. DLP is this absolutely critical part of an organization's security, making sure no sensitive information slips through our fingers or accidentally gets shared, right? So, Microsoft has been really on it, offering robust DLP capabilities across Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, OneDrive for Business, and Microsoft Teams. Today, I am not just going to talk about how this all works. I am going to walk you through a comprehensive guide that will leave you feeling like an expert. Now, imagine our company emails, document storage, and collaboration tools like a treasure box full of valuable jewels. Our job: to keep those in a vault, ensuring only those with the key can access it. That's where DLP comes in, acting as the guard that identifies and protects sensitive information. It's a complex system, but we'll break it down step by step, so don't worry if it sounds daunting at first. Let's get started with the technical architecture overview. This is where we'll discover Microsoft's master plan for DLP deployment. First up is Exchange Online, where emails are our first line of communication. Imagine setting up automatic scanners that scan incoming emails for potential sensitive info. We can then set policies that block sending, storing or sharing sensitive data outside the secure email channels. Pretty neat, huh? Moving to SharePoint Online, the DLP acts as the watchful eyes on our SharePoint sites, ensuring no sensitive documents find their way outside our controlled environment. We'll set rules tailored to our organization's needs, and when the DLP spots a potential breach, it alerts the administrator while blocking the action. It's like having an internal alarm system, right? Then there's OneDrive for Business, our cloud-based document storage. It's got the same built-in DLP policies as in other Microsoft 365 services. We establish rules to scan the content, be